50 but from different perspective. The graph which is already there on the screen is NCERT graph. What I am plotting is the correct graph for the same. This, imagine we are dealing with water. So, this is solid water or ice. This is liquid water, and you are already aware vapor pressure is your y coordinate and temperature is your x coordinate. Wherever it cuts, this temperature is called as freezing point of water. So, Tf naught, and solution, liquid solution graph will be below. If you are saying liquid solution graph is below, scientifically which is correct, then wherever it cuts, right, that will be called as freezing point of solution. Now, what is important for us to know is this much part. This part of the graph for both is same. So, the graph of this much part of solid water and solid solution, we are trying to say vapor pressure is same for this much part. Vapor pressure of solid water and vapor pressure of solid solution is same. That means we are saying if you observe solid water, imagine you are imagining a ice cube, then this is what the ice cube, in ice cube water molecule arrangement will be there. So, all these molecules on the surface are water molecules. If you see solid solution, imagine sugar solution. Imagine you take sugar solution and put into a ice tray and convert into a ice cube. Then the science is saying like this, that the sugar solution ice cube will be like this. What you are able to see, bigger molecules are actually of sugar, and the smaller molecule that you are seeing is water. If you see the surface here and if you see the surface here, in both the cases surface is same because it is made up of water. If the surface is same and it is water, the vapors produced by this and the vapors produced by this will be same. So, why they are saying vapor pressure is same? Because vapors produced by solid water and vapors produced by solid solution is same. That means we are saying sugar particles or sugar molecules are trapped inside the ice. That means we are saying between water, sugar and sugar solution, who is actually frozen? We are saying only water is frozen. Sugar is not frozen. What do you mean by frozen? Particles come very close to each other. When particles come close to each other, we say it has got frozen. So, only water is frozen, not the solute. Remember that. So, that is what is the conclusion. That means sugar solution is actually not frozen, it is only water which is frozen. Now, in metallurgy chapter, another name for metallurgy chapter, general principle and isolation of metals, you will be learning a discussion. Imagine this is a metal rod and you heat this much part of the metal rod. Then this much part of the metal rod becomes hot or molten, while this part is cold and it remains solid. It will become more of a liquid like this. Then they say that impurities from solid state will come into liquid state. But why like that? Because there is more mobility. There will be more mobility. So, impurities try to come in that space where there is more mobility, more space. So, more space is available here. That is what is the learning that you will be doing in metallurgy chapter. Similarly, here imagine water is getting frozen. Water is getting frozen in the beaker. So, which layer will get frozen first? If it is a beaker, uppermost layer will get frozen. So, uppermost layer is frozen, means you can imagine it becomes solid, but some layers below will be liquid only. So, imagine sugar particles which were everywhere homogeneously present. Now, as soon as it starts getting frozen, these particles which are impurity, like now sugar in solution is like impurity, will try to go in which state? Will it remain in solid state or will it go into liquid state? They will go into liquid state. Liquid state means they will go to lower layers. The next stage, if the first layer is got solidified, second layer is got solidified, then the liquid is in the below layers, then particles will try to come in the below layers. That means in this ice cube, sugar particles will not be on the surface, will be inside. Because sugar particles will be inside, the outside surface for solid ice and outside surface for solid sugar solution will be made up of only water. Therefore, their vapors will be of the same kind and therefore, their vapor pressure will be same. That was our discussion connected to freezing point.